English is hard to tackle. Although it's a bit complex, yet not difficult to learn. In today's session, we will look at some words that sound much different from the way they are spelled. Moreover, these words fall in the category of not so common English words list. I bet by the end of this video, you will learn them by heart and be able to use them in your daily life. So stay tuned to make your English more stylish. The first one is visuals. Notice the silent C. T is pronounced as ch. Visuals. It means the stock or supply of food. Provisions, we can say. It's a Latin word basically. Its meaning in Hindi is ration. आपका महीने का राशन. Visuals. An example sentence can be, we are running out of visuals. I am afraid it would last for another week only. The second word on the list is conch. Conch or conch. It can be pronounced both ways. In British pronunciation, we can say conch. And in American pronunciation, we can say conch. Its Hindi meaning is shank. Shank that we usually use while doing puja in temples. An example sentence would be, my friend has a rich collection of conches or conchs that she has collected during her various trips to exotic seasides. Third one is kernel. There is no R in the word, but still R sound is there. It's kernel. Kernel. It's a word related to a high rank in military. Example sentence. Vikram Singh is promoted to the rank of colonel in Indian Army very soon due to his hard work and sincerity. Fourth one is soldier. In British pronunciation, it is soldier with R silent, and in American pronunciation, it's soldier with L silent. British, soldier. American, solder. It means to join or fuse two metals with the help of an alloy. Its synonym is weld, the act of joining two metals together. Example sentence, solder or solder these two pipes together. Fifth one, preternatural. It's pronounced as preternatural. It means extraordinary or supernatural. In ordinary life, you can use this word to admire someone who is great at solving problems. For example, he seems to be a man with preternatural abilities. Only God knows how he tackles such a difficult situation with great ease. Remarkable. Preternatural. The next one is a bit tricky. Wearing it is a mark of style and class. Keep everything aside. Pronouncing this word correctly is yet another way to demonstrate your class distinction. So how will you say it? Waistcoat? No. Waistcoat. Waistcoat is the correct pronunciation. Although it's an American way of saying it, but it's more acceptable and more popular this way. Waistcoat. For example, a black silk waistcoat contributed to his tall masculine appearance. Seventh and last one is blackguard. Pronounced as blackguard. It's not blackguard. Blackguard. Like cupboard. So it's blackguard. This word refers to a rude and dishonest man. It can be considered as a synonym to scoundrel or villain. For example, he has leaked the confidential information of our company to the rivals. He is such a blackguard. So that's it. Revise these words and use them in your talk wherever possible for at least 7 days in a row. I bet these words can find space in your description of daily activities. This way you are never going to forget them. Good luck.